Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you a particular AI that performs better than Grok AI and some of other AI you have come across. Yes, there is a particular website that the AI works better than Grok, and it works better than a lot of AIs you have come across. And majority of this AI we use in generating scripts or transforming images to videos or text to images. Majority of them cannot give you what this particular AI will give you. So welcome to my video. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop valuable videos like this, you will be among the first to get notified. All right, so if you have been on my channel for a while, this particular video I've created it before, but due to some issues, YouTube had to bring down the video. So I realized the error and I decided to make the video all over again for the sake of those who have not come across the video. All right, so without wasting our time, let's go to the website, and the name of the website is, just come to your browser and click and type thankyouai.com. thankyouai.com. As you all know, on my channel I will walk you through every nooks and crannies of whatever updates I bring to you. If it is a website or a new AI update, we are going to walk through everything together. Walk through everything from A to Z, so that even as a complete beginner, you will not find difficulties using the website. All right, so once you come to the website, this is the website, and as you can see, I already have an account on this particular website. If you check this downside, I have an account. I will log out and create a new account for the sake of this video. So let's log out now, and let's log out now. I've logged out from the account, and the next thing, if you are coming newly now, let me refresh it. If you are coming newly, this is how you will have it, and you will see this welcome to thank you. Continue with Google. You can continue with Google or use this. And don't forget, I always say it in most of my videos, that you can use temporary email, although you cannot use temporary email for every website, but this particular one, you can use the temporary email website to use temporary email to create this account. But I'll be using Google because I have email addresses on my phone. So I have email addresses on my phone, so I'll be selecting the one I believe I have not used before. Let me use this, and this is actually the easiest process because they are not going to send you any, they will not send you any OTP. There's no stress. Once you click, your account will be set. Once you click, your account will be set. All right, so the account is set now, and we are going to be checking some of the things this AI can do. We are going to be checking. So if you come to this side, just come to the downside, or let's just, to make it clearer for everybody, choose the right tool for your next masterpiece. This AI has a lot of tools, a lot of tools. So as you can see, we have text to speech, we have create voice, we have sound effect, we have voice changer, we have image. Yes, let me quickly show you this. Let me quickly show you this side. Let me show you this side. You can see audio workflow. This one is for audio. This area is audio workflow. You can see this image workflow. Everything here has to do with images, and you can see this video workflow. Everything here has to do with video, and you can see editing. Everything here has to do with editing. So this is very interesting, and I love the way they arrange everything. So if you are coming here for any audio work, you know that you are coming here. If it is for image and generation or anything that has to do with images, you see, you want to erase, you want to upscale, you want to change angle, everything, just take your time and go through everything. Now the next thing here is video generation. Generate high quality AI videos via text to video. Here we can generate videos via text to video, and I'm going to be walking you through one or two areas. So we are going to be test running one or two of these tools, so kindly pay a very close attention to everything we'll be doing. Now there's one, I need to show you something. This particular website will give you 100 points, and I always like to clear people that when I say there is an update or there is an AI where you can do your work without paying anything, this is what I'm trying to say. You see this 100 points, for example, it is one of the most interesting thing about this website. These points, they don't deduct it anyhow. You can create a video, you can create 5 videos, and they will only deduct 0.9 points. Now back to what I'm saying, that if I say a website or an AI, you can work on it for free without paying, it means once we exhaust these 100 points, you can log out and create another account, then use the points to continue what you are creating. So at the end of the day, you will have a complete work without paying anything to any website. That's what I'm trying to say. Now let us check some of these areas without wasting our time. Write script. Okay, text to speech. Let us see how it works. Let us check the text to speech. So let's see how it works. Now if you look at this text to speech, we have Elon Musk voice if you want to use it, but if you are not using it, you can delete it. Now we also have friendly women. Check this side, friendly women. Let me delete this Elon Musk. Let's use this. Now let's say we want to use something. Please pay a very close attention to this video. Let me quickly generate a 100 word story. Then we are going to be using it to test run something. This website is very interesting, so I would like you to pay a very close attention to this website. It is very interesting. Now generate a story of 100 words, any funny story. So let's just have it like that to get what we are trying to. Okay, now a goat named Professor Beans escaped. All right, so we are going to be using this to test run this website. Now we have deleted that Elon Musk stuff and we are left with this. Now I first of all want you to pay attention to this area, this friendly women. Let's click on it. Once you click on this friendly women, we have a lot of voices here, and all these voices, we don't have to subscribe to any premium stuff before you can use them. You can easily select. Let us hear some of
the data clearly indicates a correlation between these phenomena. Though
they say an elephant never forgets. What they don't tell you is you never forget an elephant.
Alright, so as you can see, I think this is the only copyrighted voice, and we are not allowed to use this.
Nicholas.
Alright. So
hi everyone, I'm excited to share some insights about building strong professional relationships. Remember, authentic connections.
You think sanity is strength?
I'll be using this read joker. So you see, we have it here. Now the next thing, we are getting to the interesting part of this AI. Now let me paste the story. Please pay a very close attention in this area. Now you can see, if you glance through this story now, let's say for example you want to convert this text to voice, take note of this control tags, take note of this area. If you want to, let's say for example this narrator is speaking and you want it to groan, you want it to moan, you want it to sob, you want it to cry or laugh or chuckle or giggle. If you want any of this, you can easily, for example, a goat named Professor Beans escaped from the village farm. Now from the village farm, let me add something. I want to add something. You can say soft voice, you can say groan, clear throat. So let's say a goat named Professor Beans escaped from the village farm. Then the narrator will clear his or her throat. Then after that, and walk straight into a classroom. Chuckle. You can just click on chuckle and add it. So if you want to create a masterpiece, you will take your time and give your story, you give your work a perfect attention and fix all these things where necessary. But let's say, let me clear everything. Let's say I don't have time to be putting all this one after the other. Let's say I don't have the time to put this one after the other. You can just click on this auto. Now this auto, it will add everything automatically. This is just to save our time. Now it is helping us to add it, but let me also add something. Let me add this clear throat because I just want something obvious that we can listen to. So once you've done this, the model, let's check this area. Let's see what we have here. Okay, leave this as it is. Click on this advanced. Now once you click on advanced, the temperature, you can increase or decrease it depends on what you want, the kind of output you want. Normalize loudness, top, speed, if you want it to speak very fast, or normal or very slow. So this is it. But this volume, I always like to just leave it as 16, but you can just take your time and fix everything you want according to the kind of work you are trying to generate. Now let's click on generate and see what we are going to have. Let's click on generate and see what we are going to have. So while this is generating, it will not take time. Normally it will not take time for everything to come out. All right, so we have two voices. This is what it will always give us. We have two voices. Let's listen to the first one, and please pay attention to everything we added. So I believe you can hear the throat as the narrator clears his throat. Let me take it again. All right, so this is amazing. Let's listen to the second one. All right, so this is awesome. This is very awesome. Now we are done with this, and you can see what we generated. We still have 99.9. We still have this 99.9 points. Now without wasting time, let me just go back here and let's test run another thing. Let's test run another thing. Image generation, image to text. You can upload an image and ask it to give you the prompt that is used to generate that image. Or let me say something here. This image to text, if you upload an image, it will give you a prompt, like a prompt that will give you that exact type of image you uploaded. Now this image gen, I just want us to test run one or two things so that you will see how it works. Then you can check out everything on your own and take your time to explore the AI. Now give me an image of a boy and an old woman on the streets. So please pay attention here. We are using nano banana. So we are not changing anything here. You can also decide to fast general purpose. You can select any other one you want here, but I'll be using nano banana. So I will leave it as it is. But this area, come to this area, click here and select any size. For YouTube we are using this, but if it is for shorts, you'll be selecting this. So let me go with this YouTube and click on this. You see this 10 here, this sign here, just click on this and wait for it to generate. All right, so we have our image generated, and let's just check it out. So this is amazing. Now remember, if you want to generate anything, you must have worked on your prompt. You must have worked on your prompt perfectly. So this is what I asked for, and this is what I got, and you can see how realistic it is. 100% realistic. Now if you transform this to a video, it's going to be amazing. So let's say you've generated it. Just click on this side and download. Now it has downloaded. You can decide to come here and move it to any folder of your choice. I will be moving it to my folder, my usual folder. I'll be moving it here. So our image is here, and the next thing now let's come back to check one last thing. So I believe once you have time, you can come here and go through, you can explore it as much and as long as you like. So video generation, text to video, let us test this. All right, so the next thing I want us to check on this AI now is to check if we can, okay, let's check the video area, video generation, text to video. So let me just show you how it works. I think I've worked on this. Okay, now if you come to this side, I was trying to generate something but I cancelled it. Now if you come to this side, you can see, let me just show you how it works so that I will save time, because I believe this is simple enough for anybody. Now if you come to this side, you can see it is on video. You can easily do the same for audio. Let me go back. We are generating video, so describe everything here, input, but whatever you want to generate, don't forget to set up everything here. You see the duration, you can decide to select 10 seconds or 15 seconds. You can change the resolution here, you can change the size, you can change the size here. So you can see it's on YouTube size here. Now that is it. So just enter it and generate your video. Now one other thing I want us to check is, okay, image to video is here, text to video is here. Okay, start from a pure prompt and generate motion. Generate high quality AI video via text to video, image to video. Okay, lip sync, a lot of things. You can also edit your video here. You can extract audio from video, you can format, convert, replace video audio. So a lot of things, you can do a lot of things here, and I am very sure you will achieve results here if you, once you finish your points and log into another account, finish the points, log into another account and finish the points, and you will achieve your result without paying anything at all to the AI. All right, so that is all, and I believe this video has been helpful in one way or the other. So don't forget to like, comment and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe and click on the notification bell as well. Thank you very much.